Corona no they picking or they watch fair. Let me tell you the truth.
So say mama, papa, tell them we stop social distancing, no they keep passing.
So make we all here, take the precautions, take them up. Corona no limba, inosabi mende.
Fambul, Adu, and welcome to another edition of the program Lautap Corona na Salon. Na Radio Mountorial CTN na Frabe College na Freetown join hand with the radio station where you listen to so for bring come the program to you. And na Fondation Hirondelle na Switzerland they battle this program with funding from the H2H Network Fund and the Danish Refugee Council. Inside our last program, we will make well body master sabi people them explain to we why we all for the wear face mask na public place them. This edition will continue with the same topic and we will try for know wetin we community leaders them get for safe for sake of that. Me na una presenter, Mariam Sahib. Make us start for remind una why well body master sabi workman them say all man for the wear face mask na public place. Harold Thomas na the youth communication pillar lead na the National COVID-19 Emergency Response Center.
And this week, every week we get what we call the big idea of the week. And the theme for this week, the big idea is everyone is someone's loved one. Wearing a face mask correctly helps protect us. You know, waiting than they mean. Say, most people, we get coronavirus. They get mild symptoms, and some they don't get symptoms at all. Now that they can call asymptomatic. So it's possible say, if somebody there near you, you get this coronavirus, we not get symptom or you get mild symptom, you not gonna know. So it's important for wear the mask. Because while them people and they feel fine, they're not sign they at them, they can spread it sick to other people. And some of them people and they will get the virus, some then they can sick bad one and some can die. But some not they even know say it gets and say it well. So waiting now the thing, if you go near that person where get the virus, we don't know say it gets them, it's very, very much dangerous because sometimes you get other sick, like then diabetes or hypertension, or you get a cough, or you get HIV. Now if corona can inside it they make things worse. That person never can hear you will give you nothing no good one. But if you get them, sometimes you go die. You see say 67 people and don't die so far. But not to 67 people and don't get them over 1,800 people they don't get them. But you see now 67 people and die. That they show say some people and if they get them, they don't go survive. And you don't know if you're not the one where if you get them, you don't go survive. So that make it important. And when person get corona, the one way they show sign, then they cough, then they sneeze. And when people are now government don't open some of the restrictions, and we say people can go church with precaution. So when they cough, or you they sneeze, or you they sing, or even you they talk, you they spray small liquid water them where they come away, they see with your eye. And then water then where you then call them droplets. And they come out from your nose and they come out from your mouth. Now the virus they go. So the mask are the only thing will go help you. So when you they wear face mask correctly, over your mouth and your nose, it will help you for them small water then they will call droplets. So that way it don't go for other person, it will make the person sick.
That's now Harold Thomas, the Risk Communication Pillar Lead na the National COVID-19 Emergency Response Center. But waiting for be the role of community leaders then for promote face mask. This na question when the company workman them put to some of the community leaders them all over the country. So make us start na Freetown as by Kenneth today na Radio Mountorial CTN been go talk to Adekali Kagbo, the Vice Chairman for Ward 423 inside Constituency 122.
According to how I see and how we they go and do the sensitization with them, people that they complain a lot. We get people where they use the face masks. Number one. Two, we get people where always they see that they use the face masks but they don't use it the right way. We get people where they for only do that. Then again, we get people who know they use the face masks. They tell we say now government for give them face mask. Because who they tell and now say no, for your health, try for buy face masks and use them for yourself, because for your health, if the sick meet you, you go die. So that if you use the face masks, you no go get the particular sick. Because we can always tell them, say, the sickness, it get a droplet where they meet somebody. If you not get face masks, the sick will meet you. So okay, advice the next thing and day. We tell them, say, the face mask is very important to people. If you use them, it will help you for let you not get the corona. But still, people are adamant for say they not use the face mask because they not get money for buy them. But we get people that will get like a 50% of the people who they use face masks. Really, we get by the 50% to get 20% when they use it the right way. Then the other 50% they not use face masks.
So una as a head na this constituency, what are the measures una don't take for see that the people use face mask?
We dey go to them house to house, areas to areas, street by street. We dey go and meet them and tell them, say, now, the government don't put law say anybody will not use face masks. The law go hold them, and when they hold them without face masks, they go pay a fine when 100,000 so that they go fear. For let the people in fear. Now, we get a lot of people who don't begin fear, say now, therefore they use face masks because a government don't put a law. Then we have to talk to them back, they cajole them, tell them, say, this face mask is very important to una for long not able to get the sick. And now we all for come to one, let we fight the sick with proper government. If we not come to one for fight the sick with proper government, the sick no go done. So now that advice and they can go and meet them door to door, areas to areas, community to community, or go and tell them this.
Well, you mentioned say some people they're not able to afford face mask. So what you una don't do as head of this community? Any organization, una don't go knock at the doors of any organization for let them help una for can provide face masks for them kind of people and they.
Well, the councillor, when a councillor Radia too, he don't do that effort today. He don't push. He don't try for let go get face masks. But in able get, what they do as ward committee, we try for so we don't do them first. We try for so face masks them. We don't get face masks so the councillor don't make. We don't get share. If we do this sensitization, we don't get give. But it's not enough. The council of can try again for get money for try for make a face mask again. We will go bugi. Then again the councillor it try for make for let we bugi robbers them. When they wash their hand they would we don't donate them to the mosques them and the churches them. The last time week before last we don't do that. The mosques them and the churches them. We don't do all that. We don't give the robbers a sanitizer so that when people go inside the mosques and the churches, then go wash their hand and do the sensitization.
Okay, lastly, you don't record any cases or witness of any case where they don't record at this constituency?
Well, according to how we work on our ward with constituency, particularly this ward 423, we not ever record any case. No case will not get in this ward. Since this corona start, ward 423 will not get no case.
That's na Adikali Kagbo, the vice chairman for ward 423 inside constituency 122 na Frabe, Freetown. Same way so, Amza today, when instead they work na Radio Mantorial, CTN, being go talk to Honorable Alusain Caribbean Conte, when are the member of parliament for constituency 125 na the west end of Freetown.
Well, for wearing face mask, not of us say na bluff or na something where government they say because government wants say na for protect we safe. So now that way the government could try for protect you. We wear the face mask, make you not go get sick when a coronavirus. I notice say even though government they talk still, we still get people them we defiant. Me I don't talk to even though I don't buy face mask give people them, but people them still defiant. They refuse for wear the face mask. And you look when you they refuse for wear the face mask, they at risk. Me self in a parliament here, I know who talk say because me a policy maker. I know they wear face mask. Anytime they go, they wear face mask.
So you, out of the people that are within your community, how you feel say, how many of them you feel say can wear face mask?
Well, I go say 40% they wear face mask. The balance still. We still try for convince them for let them put on face mask. You know, for their own good. You are not doing the honorable a favor, neither the councillor or the mayor or the president. It is for your own good.
Okay. Do you go able to tell family how the wearing of face mask go able help them?
Well, family out there, it will be advisable that we keep to meeting government. They say if government say for wear face mask, now for we own good. I still repeat them. This na the third time what they say. Now for we own good. Not that way you do, way they put on the face mask, you they do the government any favor. Now for you own good. So my advice to you, do ya wear the face mask. Now killer disease, like virus, but when it come by you, it turn disease. Then it will be very, very difficult or let you go get healing. So before you reach Yana, wear the face mask. Because that pit where they come on now, that small one. I mean, I begin to talk that small pits they come out and I get the disease, I go transfer them to somebody. But once you get the mask, you find out say, you no go come down your nose, you no go carry inside you go come by the mask. Where later you go wash. But if you say you they make takiti, you they refuse for wear the mask, then it will be at your own detriment. And we let everybody waiting at this country do ya. Me self they join the government for tell you say wear your face mask because then they go help you or make you not get the sick when a coronavirus.
That's na Honorable Alusain Caribbean Conte for constituency 125 na Freetown. Make a go na una Bombali district, Usai Councillor Samson LC say when a councillor na Ward 113 inside constituency 034 na Safroko Limba Chiefdom been talk to Emil Jengo where they work na Radio Maria.
Since the outbreak of this coronavirus within the country, I think we take the front line, to the line with the medical people them for fight this corona because it gets adverse effects on the people them. So however, later this issue of a face mask can come that people have for use the face mask. Very necessary, we as a key stakeholders within the community for sensitize with people how to use this face masks, the proper use of them, because when they see some, then they even use them, then they cover their nose for the rest of the day, and at the end of the day, they wash them. So what in some of we can do as a councillor or working visit the communities them, because every week I go to some of the communities them, I advise them that the face mask more so when it is within a group. You get forget some mount some na the nose and the mouth. So because now then end the day they expect say somebody go sneeze. So if you talk to them that kind of way, you tell them it will understand. Also, we can tell and say not only for put on the nose and forget about her. More so if now one face mask somebody gets for make you use it effectively and make it not go harm himself again because law say you use them for the rest of the day. Advise them for make you go wash them with soap and clean water, then you hang them. Then when it dry, you can able use it again the following day. Like where they sleep, you don't need them, especially when like if no one green they sleep or in panda they sleep. But like you ready for move or you day within the crowd, for able for explain to them for say you need to get the face mask on. Like them meetings, you go on and then gathering like when they go then lumo market days then lumo. Necessary for letting get our own because that also will be one way we will for break the chain.
We find out say plenty people instead of them put the face masks and cover their nose and mouth, then they hang on their chin, then they pass with them. Which one I don't do in that regard?
Very recently we have been getting ward committee meeting Kagbo on the 24th of July. I've been use the opportunity for bringing in stakeholders and key people within the communities for educate them on that because now we will get we ward committee meetings now one thing they will also get for not they forget for talk about the for break this chain of transmission. For him the mask na the chain no actually good because law say some people in there for example me na possibly they sweat profusely. That sweat where they come inside get some effect on the body. So for instance, if I hang on my chin and the sweat don't go panante for some time, then I take them. Later I put on my nose, I will inhale things that were not good. So would they educate them on that area for say not for the chin they make them. It preferably even if you want to pull and hold them like hand, or you get a plastic, which it will put them, so that when you want to use them later, it will be of good health. Will be of a disadvantage on your health. So we don't they try for educate people and for stop that habit they for the put the face mask na their chin. Instead, let them go wear them na their nose and the mouth. Well, of course, then they complain say easy way they inhale. And indeed, we know that. Now, on account of that, they make, at another time, I tell one group, I say, well, if you know, say, a month you for put them on, no, they buy them thick material, that one. Secondly, make sure, like if you go some side when you one grain day, you can able pull them so that you will get fresh air within you. I'm not saying no easy.
That's now Councillor Samson LCC, Councillor for Ward 113 inside constituency 034 na Safroko Limba Chiefdom, Bombali District. From Bombali, Adegona Yile, Tonkolili District inside the same northern region, Usai Saidu Mahmoud Ba, the station manager na Radio Bonkolenke, been talked to Sheku Fana, the community health officer na the Lion Health Medical Center na Yile. He first asked if the face mask they really help for tap the corona sick.
I think you're right. If we use the face masks, it protects we for love not get the sick we not the coronavirus. It protects we from that.
All right. Now we look at an extension of this idea. Say for where I'm properly, that's where I'm fine one. What do they mean by that from one of the medical people?
Yes, and this is very important because we talk about the use of face masks. So it's very important for men the family know say one of the things we use face masks we want to use them. If for always wash the hand with soap and water first. And if soap and water no dey, what if for use again? If for use when the alcohol hand sanitizer, you rub your hand, you clean your hand first before ever you take the mask for use.
Like for if for pass on to you for pass on a chin, anger na is that proper way dey. Now we want to understand sir.
Okay, so if you want to use the face mask, you get the mask because the mask also is divided into two now because we know say there is a locally made mask and there is that of the medical mask where they use in a hospital. So it depends the one way you want to use, but they all serve the same purpose if not for COVID. So if you want to use face masks, what you for do? For touch now the front after we don't wash your hand with soap and water or alcohol hand sanitizer, you don't clean your hand. If you use the face mask after we don't put on your mouth, if you cover your mouth and your nose, now if you cover, for left the nose outside, the mouth in covered, then it means you don't use them properly. Then after we don't put on, you can realize say when you watch now the top of the face mask, there is something like iron, did it? So that iron there, you get for press them, you clip on something like clip, you clip on to the nose.
Alright, so like who's one they talk about? So now you know they use in hospital, the medical one?
Yeah, this one are the medical mask now they talk about. Where you get like something like iron, where they clip on now the nose up. So now the medical mask now they talk about. And after we don't use this mask here, you for avoid for touch now the front part. Because the front part, any tumbu can settle now the front part. The reason this way they use the face mask, because one jams for enter now the mouth and the nose. Now you make it they use them. So if you don't use that, the tumbu they can't settle now the front part of the mask. So therefore, if you avoid for go to touch, if you mistakenly you touch now the front, you for wash your hand with soap and water or alcohol hand sanitizer.
So this it looked a bit challenging or difficult to people because some man only they say I wear them, I pull them, I wear them, I pull them. So what you go say about that?
Yes, it's very important because we for reuse face masks. It not mean say we not for use them, we for reuse them. But how we for reuse them? One, if you know say you don't use the mask, it clean, you watch them, it not wet, it not sweat, it not wet, yeah, you go reuse them again. But if you realize say the mask is wet, you know for use them, you for throw them immediately. Or if not the cotton, the locally made one, who they use, if you go clean it with soap and water.
So man, from the one who they say for use face mask, it gets one particular mask where they use for book and self. No problem. What's not the precautionary or how you talk to them people in this?
Well, for me advise to them people then the way they use that kind of masks, the way they use them. I will advise like every 24 hours. Like if you don't use that for the whole day, yeah, you clean them, you wash them, you hang on the sun, it dry. If you know somebody where you get electrical or you get iron, now you go also press them, so then it also will kill the germs.
So I know the booker. You know the book at all.
Yeah, myself don't realize now the hospital where people they come with face masks now the hospital where they use and where they not the most. I can see I say dirty. So sometimes they advise and they I can get it because if you don't dirty again, so without the virus also you will get other sick where you go also and bug you because anything where they breathe in, it they go now the airway. So if anything dirty go now the airway, what did they happen? They end up for getting infection also now the lungs apart from the COVID.
That's na Sheku Fana, the CHO na the Lion Heart Medical Center. Yiletong inside Tonkolili district. Let us pause here small and take a music break.
Fellow Sierra Leoneans, as we all know, one sick don't come with it trouble the world so much, we don't call corona. So this is just an advice, follow take the necessary precautions for avoiding a mama salon.
The one sick don't come, we don't call corona. No, it just a multiply, oh. You want to take over the world now. Take over the world now. So make me follow the precaution. If you get fever and a struggle for breathe and the cup, run call the doctor. I say run call the doctor.
So we will left make plenty. Ebola take over the country. So we will left make plenty. Ebola take over the country. Yeah. This thing don't come up and play. Coronavirus deal. This thing don't come up and play. Mr. Coronavirus deal. On the news they watch TV. I see so many people that die. Oh. When I ask you because they died and tell me the coronavirus will take over the world. You know say prevention is better than cure. Now so they say yo. So we take the body number. So take a easy make you know come here. So keep a distance, go far away. So for avoid the cyber people there. Yeah. Coronavirus beware of the virus. Where they make people then they minus sick is serious.
One sick don't come, we don't call corona. No, it just a multiply, oh. You want to take over the world now. Take over the world now. So make me follow the precaution. If you get fever and a struggle for breathe and the cup, run call the doctor. I say run call the doctor.
This thing don't come up and play. Coronavirus deal. This thing don't come up and play. Coronavirus deal.
So we been take Ebola like play, yet too many lives don't let. Corona don't come, Mr. Government protect the gate. We know say with a better economy man to survive.
For the life also matter.
Make we don't make this sick from big man power. Make we wash we hands daily. It is Africa now, our own Africa. It takes 10 minutes when they hit the bomb. 12 hours when they eat the metallic man. So avoid touching the face, drink water frequently. So make we act now, act twice. So corona go back down. Together we go fight it. Say one sick don't come, we don't call corona. No, it just a multiply, oh. We want to take over the world now. Take over the world now. So make me follow the precaution. If you get fever and a struggle for breathe and the cup, run call the doctor.
Niggas smash again.
Run call the doctor.
It's just them for because shock be hygienic. Let me pray, so God go push this pandemic. We no better pass the one that we don't catch sick.
Welcome to the second segment of the program, Low Tap Corona na Salon. Members say, na Radio Montreal CTN, na Frabe College, na Freetown join hand with partner radio station for bring this program to you, and na Fondation Hirondelle, na Switzerland, they battle this program with funding from the H2H Network Fund and the Danish Refugee Council. For this edition, we will continue with the same topic and we will look at the role of community leaders them for promote face mask. Me na una presenter, Mariama Sahib. Let us listen to this message.
This mask business, I don't give with themselves. Now for police, the normal make I dey wear am. Now he make safe, it dey under me chin.
Not so for police you dey wear you mask for. And safe, you mask no for the under your chin.
What do you mean by? Now you business?
Yes, now all man business. Well, body master sabi people don't talk say, when you dey wear you mask, and not for the under your chin. Then say you mask for always cover your nose and mouth. Because now so you go able to protect yourself and your neighbor then. According to Master Sabi World Body people, when person get the coronavirus sick and you wear a mask the proper way, then you self wear your own mask the proper way, the chance for getting sick is very small.
Okay, I go make sure say I dey wear my mask always where I dey go na public place. And step, I go stop for put on my pocket, bag and under my chin so that I no go get the coronavirus disease.
and make sure say if na disposable mask you dey wear, na for throw am one time wey you pull am. And if na dem other mask dem wey dem dey make out of cotton or other material, na for dey wash am fine every day for avoid other sickness.
This message dey comot from Radio Mount Oriel CCN and Fabe College, Freetown, in collaboration with Foundation Hirondella, Switzerland, with funding from the H2H Network Fund and the Danish Refugee Council.
Inside this second segment na the program, we go hear from community leaders dem na Potloko, Kenema, Kailaun and Bond districts. So make us start na Potloko. Usai Alhaji Sanko, where they work na Radio Bankasoka, being put together this report.
Face masks very key inside the COVID-19 fight in terms of safety. As government say and say, a very key for let somebody go to use in face masks because for save other people in my own life. But for no, waiting at the community leaders their own role for ensure say them promote the use of face masks na in different community. Councillor Zakaria Bangura and the deputy mayor for the Potloko City Council they get this for say.
We roll with the stakeholders. We roll now for we support for the implement the government policies for the fight against the coronavirus disease in our country. And for law also ensure say we support the DCOVAC structure and leadership. For let we see say corona it done na Potloko district and we people na Potloko city then go then obey then follow the rules and the regulations where government don't set. Especially one, we know say for the one day where they go na mosque when a Muslim, it's mandatory for let them use the face mask. And please for inform us say the mosque where me they pray. I don't talk and I don't announce them for say anybody when not get face mask, let them not allow a may enter na the mosque. In Falaba mosque, nobody know they enter there for pray if you not get a face mask. The social distancing where we they give small space between we self. Then they also we dey ensure say it will be maintained. The use of face mask at public places. Any outside person you dey, if for use you face mask, if for dey with you. If na inside your room you dey, nobody no get for caution you about face mask. But if you step outside your house, you don't dey na the public compulsory. And if you no get them, then we dey give support to the security sector. We mainly the police and the military officers. When they dey na the city, when na for their regulations there, then post them there for me they arrest. And on the area, na the news. Where some side like in Kono, where they arrest about 40 people. Each one end up for pay 20,000 leos as a fine. And then they all na in there. And these are the policies of government where we as stakeholders in there, from the mayor to the deputy mayor to councillor to the DCOVAC, NACOVAC, all the structures so established that then laws there we there for law we ensure say we all obey them, including myself where they talk and you we get for listen to this audio.
Well, if you say deputy mayor, if you say this don't they happen at Potloko for ensure say people and they comply for use face masks with the assessment.
The assessment where they watch through, some then they comply, some they obey, while the others them is still challenging. And for the one day where they create a challenge where no one for use them, now that make the police and the soldier there, then they around. For let ensure say they enforce the law. And when we they go for the DCOVAC meeting, when at the district emergency response for coronavirus, when we they go there, we they talk them, we they tell them, let nobody know wait deputy mayor, let nobody know wait for mayor, let nobody know wait for any councillor for go implement the laws the way government say, where person no get face mask, on arrest them, let it pay the fine. Because we get places them where they still quarantine people in Potloko districts. Places like where then people they were in quarantine out of the chiefdoms them, so get about 7 to 8 chiefdoms them, they don't get cases of corona. Now just about 5 from the last meeting we held on Tuesday. Now just about 5 chiefdoms in Potloko district. Now they no get it. But the other one they get corona. So this is tell you say we all get for be mindful and for let we go by the regulations we government set.
So what you go talk about the hand we still get challenges for use the face mask according to you say some people and they then still not they advise to the rule. So waiting at the message where you go give them for ensure say then we give use them.
Simple. The message now for la tell una say first of all go they use your face mask. Go they put on. Otherwise the police and the soldiers have been given the mandate to effect arrest, and for them make policy and you pay a fine. That in India for institutions. If na institution law say na the city council let me say people they no use them, then we have a fine, an amount where they pay. For individual, when you want no use them, you get amount where you they pay as a fine. If na vehicle, you get people inside motor car when no get face mask, there is an amount where you they pay. So this you know go find at these difficult times. Then for that we all take will fall error into the laws the way the government of Sierra Leone don't set for we.
That's na Councillor Zakaria Bangura, the Deputy Mayor for Port Loko City Council, the end report where Alhaji Sanko na Radio Bankasoka na Port Loko City been put together. From Port Loko na the northwest, I dey go Kenema for listen to Paramount Chief Kapua Matua IV na Nongowa Chiefdom in advice but face mask. He been talk to Suzanne Kumba Kamanda.
Well, I think really the face mask is very essential because it helps to prevent or even make sure so you don't pass the sickness to other person. Because as it were, they don't tell we say this sick here it transmitter through where they talk to person because the air will come on now your mouth and your nose and they go to somebody else. So it's very necessary therefore for me to use face mask because now you go prevent them, now you go cut off the transmission and that kind of. So that is why it is essential for us.
Now you being as a paramount chief, how best or how you know that leaders can come together for say on ourselves able to enforce this the use of the face masks?
Well, we don't do a lot of things really. Even as they enter my office, they see and wear a face time because I do some posters where I shape all over for say without face mask no entry. So then one way we will try to do that. And then the other way is we don't talk say well we will begin back. Go back to the old method of using the what you call bylaws and that kind of thing for ensure say against our bylaws. Strictly written in black and white our bylaws for say for use face mask for make you there around. And a very essential thing that one if you do and that way which is very 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 okay. So now that we don't do as leaders now we make scare people away from the COVID-19.
Now that we mentioned say bylaws then they wanna be done put in place. Waiting at the penalty for any defaulter we wanna see out there where deliberately not decide for using face masks when they're in a public place.
Initially they talk saying about 500,000, but that can be reviewed as and when the situation arises because based on how we see you, we can do what you would do with vision. But in any case really with the things say everybody go able to afford face masks. So not to think really we one care go to that extent. So really, we don't put in them bylaws. The bylaws we talk about 500,000, but then like I say, we can review them now and then. But as it were, nobody no go do. They are repeater. Nobody no go do really. We not go get 1,000 to buy this face mask when they send that. So now done at the thing, and we don't know.
So like what's now the compliance rate presently now the chiefdom towards the use of the face masks?
Relatively speaking, I would talk say the compliance rate don't pass something like it would be between the region of 60-70%. Because not to like how Freetown do. Me, I don't travel go Freetown. I don't see nothing like that. But upline there, would they really do best? Would they try to do best for make ensure say people then use them. Even them market woman every day go back and don't do it and they watch the street. And they see say practically everybody they put on their face mask whether they go on a market and whether they come on a market, which is really appreciable and which is very good for us as a city.
Now that we see the business people, we see the Okada riders, more especially Okada riders when are the lawless people, but like this time around we see the also unique that they use a face mask. Waiting at the strategies so now put in place for say majority of the people, the community people able to adhere to this particular precautionary measure here.
We encourage them. We say, look, gentlemen, we not get for this. Don't for say now we want to do it, but it's necessary for make you do it for prevent other people. Because by using the face mask, you not only prevent yourself, you also prevent the other person with the and that is why it's necessary. So really by encouraging them, talking to them, and making sure that they understand what's the thing, they don't don't let them. Because they find out everybody is the type of avoid this secure. This secure is not a joke with person. We don't hold now and say, we they kill we quick. Now then young man they don't be get, but now I think say even young man they die by this. So now the Okada rider themselves don't accept. Okada riders I don't want to talk say they lawless. Then self Now people there, we need to encourage them. They will try to encourage them, make them understand say law na law. So at least they say they take it now. So I think that is why when they get that kind of compliance with them, they will go high. When they actually dynamic I say between 60-70% we don't go we get it now. We get it right.
Now, Paramount Chief, in case somebody not able to afford at all a particular face mask, what do you recommend to that particular person you are going to do whenever they come out in a public place?
Well, this is why I think we have been facing a very difficult for answer. But perhaps I will talk say let the person if you get hand clean handkerchief, it go tie in nails mouth, let it come out. Then one day like woman so they get a tie, then go put another then put another mouth, then tie because what they do they not able to afford that. That's
na Paramount Chief Kapua Matodi 4, na Nongawa Chiefdom, Kenema District. Inside the same eastern region, me company Momo Sise, where they work na SLBC Kailan, been talk to Samba More, the Secretary General for the National Civil Society Forum na Kailan District. Momo been first asked about what the civil society people them do for promote face mask campaign.
Well, basically, we as civil society will get a role for play because when you look at the people, we are the mouthpiece for the people. And so therefore, the people then get trust in we in terms of any information we pass to them for making them see say they use their information for CCS, it is in their interest. And so therefore, we as civil society and credible leaders that is district, I think say we get a role for make we play for make sure say we talk to community people and for make them see the need that the use of face masks and in no more way will avert them from getting this disease. And so therefore we go community to community, market to market, and shop to shop, and door to door for make sure so we educate them say the use of face masks is very important and very key in their lives.
How often we can engage then community people like we talk about engagement in the marketplaces or generally in the public areas?
Well, normally we get recessions and we can get. You know, say Kailan District specifically, now we get Luma communities. One, Fridays, we get communities away the whole Luma on Fridays. We get communities away the whole Luma on Tuesdays. We get communities away the whole Luma on Wednesdays and Thursdays, as the case may be, on to Monday. So therefore, any community where the whole Luma on Friday, we engage all of them communities and then the marketplaces for make we say we talk to them. But let us see the need say yes. Where they go to a public place, we not say that you host. Where they go to a public place for even go do business, person where you go do that business or you know sabi am, you don't know say come on, you don't come out the market, you don't pray them, you don't go for go buy. And so therefore, it's necessary for make you use face masks. For make you go where you go buy, so that where they talk, when I not go exchange anything. When you go back in a house, if you know one use and say probably not there because you didn't a house in a lonely place, now you one day you not get problem with that. But when you go in a public place, you for use face masks. And when you come on the Tuesday, all other communities and where you get the same ideas that would care go to them for make them see yes, they need for use the face masks because the people that way they carry them businesses them they not sabi them. And when we look at Kailan District, the first index case of Kailan District, what did happen now from a business people. And so therefore we see the need say yes, that is a very serious challenge to we as civil society for make we go out in the communities and see say and continue for talk to them say this thing not for be business as usual, enough for me no from business people in the kind of this community because they then go and take and bring account we get an index case. And so therefore we see and say we need to go back to the community people and the business people, engage them, engage the business key stakeholders and when the district chairman them, we don't get a meeting with them and talk to them say the need for talk to the members them, that we not go on for a recurrence of this kind of situation at this part of the country. And so therefore all of the market days them, even despite what we don't talk to them, but we say they use we own activities them and we activism for go and then communities them and begin talk to them for CCS, therefore use face masks on all costs, whatever way you look at them. Also you forget you face masks on.
You think say the proper use of face masks from the community people or community perspective, it will help for protect the lives of an individual, the community, and the country as a whole?
Of course, yes. Well, you know, what in the medical people they don't see, and we they see, we were doing on social media, we they see what they happen in other countries them, that they see somebody, even if they move, if even at toilet, if they go, they use in the Western world. And so therefore, if they see that one and ain't going to help we for making disease not spread, then they definitely will not get nothing for do on except we get for adhere to what the medical people they don't say. Because when Ebola mine, they say we be see the precautions and we the medical people they be tell we be able to help we at the end of the day we able to eradicate her. And so therefore if this one say don't come, the medical people they don't see say that is not the only way that we go able to make for let the thing go away from you from motorman to motorman transmission. I think say we not get anything for do except we get for adhere to the incident because it's very key and very important for make sure say waiting and tell we now for adhere to. Otherwise we go continue for day in this kind of situation till at the end of the day you will see boku death go dey occur we not go know what kill people there.
Let me also look at the big idea we come up from NACOVAC. We say everyone is someone, loved one, wearing our masks correctly help protect us all. You think say that idea correct?
That is a clear don't say everyone is someone. So meaning you as an individual, your next person, where it is around you, it could be your friend, it could be your brother, it could be your sister, or it could be even your mama. And so therefore, the only way we're able to protect that person, now when you use face masks, when you talk to them, like when you do so, we go with face masks and on, we talk, nobody in any speech way they go over. I mean, that is the best way. Everyone's somewhere, I mean, now you person. So therefore, you get to keep the other person safe, prevented from making not get the disease. So that one is very key, very important, and until we abide by their laws and otherwise, we get to continue for the spread the disease and we not go find for we.
Finally, the use of face masks is one thing, but when you use it properly, you think say not the right method.
Of course, the face mask like way that we don't all we talk about them. People then keep putting on their chin. Some people that don't even use it in their pocket in the past. But if you use the face mask, the actual method way that you say if you use them, I believe say the sky ain't gonna be your limit.
That's Natamba More, the Secretary General for the National Civil Society Forum inside Kailan. For end the program, at the Gona Bond inside the Southern region, Usai Chief Francis Theophilus Banabum, the Chiefdom Speaker for Jong Chiefdom, na Bond District, been talked to Jonathan Umaru, when at the Station Manager for Radio Jange.
What would they say and what would they do concerning face masks? The use of face masks is very important. So at all time we want for them the year. So this is an opportunity for me, for make it come to me. For we own children here, long before this time here, we don't put some strategies in place as to how really we will for make the people the way they live far off from Atujong, the children headquarters town, may they know say face masks are a matter of must, the matter of must that you for use them. Now we get your points there will be first put for make we say anybody where they come in or you're gonna any big village, water for the day, soap the day, and you for use face masks. Now for example, today Thursday, if you buy like a trade fair, but trade fair until we don't put stock from, you know the again. But as you see people in the car market, the usual market, and they can't buy and go, we get of course the security apparatus, the police and they around, and they all about the town, so German and SSF we say as traditional people then we say for just the continued sensitization, tell the people then for say the use of face masks now a matter of must. And there is one. As you see, you don't have a Tubo road, you don't come on Mission Road, you don't come on Marigi Road, you see everybody getting face masks.
Well, no one forgot the conviction say it is happening all together. So, what's in some part the basic monitoring mechanism the owner they put in place as chiefdom representative then adjunct chiefdom for CC like it's well enhanced? Well,
how will they really monitor this thing here? First, of course, we get fines for those where they violate the law. We know sometimes they forget for use face masks, or when they come out of the village there, or even a village they turn them, they host them, they don't get face masks. We get instant court business where the local court they find people them 20,000 euros you pay. So when Joe see they don't find John because they don't get face masks, the next time now ain't have get for the one people them your own family members whenever they gonna turn or in their more crowd for say hey mask now a matter of must that you for use them.
That's na Chief Francis Theophilus Banabum, the Chiefdom Speaker for Jong Chiefdom na Bond District. Na yaso I go tap this edition of the program, let tap Corona na Salon. Remember say na Radio Mantorial, CTN, na Frabe College na Freetown join hand with the radio station where you listen to so for bring this program to you. And na Fondation Hirondelle na Switzerland they battle this program with funding from the H2H Network Fund and the Danish Refugee Council. Thank you to the production team, assistant producer Mary Alpha, producer Emmanuel Nyake Momo, senior producer Musa Baisise, and with executive producer Wena James Tambalebi. Until we meet again for next edition, let we make sure say we do waiting the well body master sabi people them say for make we dey wear with face mask them all time na public place. Me na una presenter Mama Sahi, they say goodbye.
I got this message for you. Corona, now they picking all they watch first. Let me tell you the truth.
Social distancing,